Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Long time no talk in a way. I wasn't super chatty in the vlog, not last week, but the week before, because I missed a week because I wasn't feeling good. And yeah, so today is actually Friday for us. And I'm thinking Alira and I will just go for a walk today. I was trying to decide if I wanted to go to the creek area we went to one time on a vlog, or if I just want to stay in our neighborhood. And I think I just want to stay in our neighborhood. I don't want to make it too complicated, and I'm thinking like maybe she can just get out and do some walking herself too. I'll bring the jogger with me, but I think maybe if I let her get out and walk around herself as well, kind of help tire her out a little bit too. So that's what I have planned for today. I haven't really planned much else. I tend to keep my days very simple because it's hard to do a lot in one day with a toddler. So we're gonna do that. I have to get her dressed still. We have our teeth brushed and hair done, and I'm finally dressed. So we have to get her dressed still, and then I think we'll head out. And then when we come back, we'll probably just have some lunch or something. She might be hungry by then. I made a little schedule for her. I made a little nap time routine. There is this sleep coach that I talked to. I've talked about her before. I can link her Instagram below because sometimes she'll do like tips. And this was one of her tips, is to do a routine like this, and she said 2 and up. So like have Alira look at this routine. So like we do lunch, and then we can do a quiet activity, or the quiet activity can be reading books and drinking milk. But if we have like extra time, she can do like a quiet activity. The trash man's here, so Dante might start barking. So when we start our nap routine, I'll have her look at this, and I even drew like little pictures. Like her quiet activity could be coloring, because she loves coloring and doing art and stuff like that. So yeah, I made that for her. I want to make a nighttime one too. So that's like an idea if you have a toddler or a child who's older, like preschool, who is struggling with like routine, like transitions. I find it really helpful for kids, which she does struggle with transitions a lot, but that's kind of typical toddler behavior, is like transitions are usually really hard for them sometimes. So if you have a kid that's really struggling with transitions, you can make like even a daily schedule and just show them like, okay, it's this time now, and next we're gonna do this. And so just a thought. I'm gonna get her dressed, and then I think we're gonna try and head out. She's watching Curious George right now. She kind of likes watching Curious George. It's funny.
Yellow.
Yellow? Is it yellow or red?
Red.
Red? Yeah, those are cool, huh? You want to hold them? Okay. Okay. Oh, you found some more, huh?
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep. A very noisy beep, beep, huh?
Car.
Yeah.
Beep, beep, car.
Beep, beep, car. Yeah, let's run. Come on. Run, run. Look where you're going. Alright guys, we are home. That was a really good walk. There wasn't like too much for her to explore, but it was kind of fun for her to see the leaves falling on the ground. Look at her back there. The leaves on the ground and stuff. So it would probably, she would have more fun exploring at the creek that we walked out one time. But it's fine. I didn't want to go too far from home today. Okay, so we're home. It is hot out. Like, I feel like I'm melting. I'm surprised my makeup is intact because it is like really warm out. So Lyra wants to build with blocks for a little bit, and then I'm gonna make some lunch, and then we're gonna get ready to rest.
Oh no, block. I think the circle block.
Uh-huh.
Circle block.
The circle block. You're a goofball. You wanna build? Build the tower.
Oh, put it. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby.
Hi, guys.
Guys at work.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Knocked it down. Lyra's eating her lunch. I'm actually not super hungry right now, so I'm actually gonna work on all these dishes here. These are yesterday's lunch dishes and some dinner dishes and this morning's breakfast dishes. So I'm gonna actually work on this while she's eating. During her rest time today, I kind of just want to make sure I relax today. Because yesterday, I think the day before yesterday, I did some housework. And then yesterday, I edited the cleaning video that's going up today, the entire nap time. So today's nap time, I just want to veg out, watch YouTube, or watch something on TV. So I just want to make sure I do that today instead of all this other stuff. I do need to change the sheets on the bed, so it might be the only thing I do. And then as soon as I do that, I might just hang out in bed or, I don't know, hang out on the sofa or something. So I'm gonna get to work on these dishes. I think there's some back there too, so that's nice. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Okay, 15 minutes until we get milk and books. Okay? Okay.
2. Wait. Go! Oh, 1. 2. 3. Oh, no. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh,
Can you do another car?
not car.
Mm-hmm. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Are you a baby again? She puts this blanket around her and she goes, Mom, I'm a baby. Hold me. Hold me. Oh, look at this baby. Are you a tiny, tiny baby again? Yeah. You're sad? Why are you sad? You're a sad baby? You were a sad baby, huh? Because your tummy hurt all the time. Yeah. We cleaned up after lunch. We've been doing a Alexa off. We've been doing a quiet activity. Now we're gonna read a book and drink some milk.
It's fun.
Yeah, and then after that, we're gonna turn the sound machine on and we're gonna lay down. Okay? Oh.
See?
George at the zoo.
Take this.
PBS Kids, yeah. Whoops. The man with the yellow hat is taking George to the zoo today. There are so many things to see and do and touch. Feel the black and white penguin's thick coat. Do you remember throwing the ball to the penguin? So I made this protein drink instead of getting food because I'm really not that hungry, but I do want to make sure I'm getting something into my stomach so I don't feel like crazy hungry when dinner time comes. I'm just like not feeling like food. I don't know. I just, you know when you just don't feel like chewing food? That's kind of where I'm at. I just don't feel like chewing food right now. So I've felt like that for the past couple of days actually. It's weird. Let me know if anyone else ever goes through like where you would just rather have an all liquid diet. But I think our internet is connected again. They have been working on the internet out here and I've noticed they've been cutting it on Fridays. So yesterday I made sure the cleaning video was uploaded and everything before they cut the internet. So, and I was right, they cut the internet today, so I was like, oh yeah, good thing I got that video uploaded. So I'm gonna sit down. Can you move? Don't they? I have to make sure I spend this time wisely and I have to soak up every minute of it. So I have to be very particular about what I want to do. If I want to watch a TV show, if I want to watch YouTube, if I want to, I don't know. I have to be very particular though. Oh, the life of a stay-at-home mom when you get a free moment. So I ended up watching the I Know What You Did Last Summer TV show on Prime because the new episodes come out every Friday, so that's what I ended up doing. So now I'm going to decide what I want to do next. I think I'm just going to end the vlog here because there isn't going to be much going on after this. So Lyra's going to wake up and I'll make dinner and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are having a good week so far. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I'll see you later. Bye.